Sorted! Smile! You have to get close for it to be any use. Aye, because you know they're wide angle. But if you get the opportunity, come in close and it'll pick you up quite well. Good, aye. How you liking that?
I think it's different to the Zuki.
Aye.
It's a lot more responsive.
I quite all good to go. Come out. So, howdy YouTube folks, how's it going? We're out today with the Peebles Motorcycle Clan. There's a small group of us. I think there's only 4 or 5 of us this time. We've got John, who's leading the way up at the front somewhere. John Rennie. We've got another John just in front of me. Got myself, we've got Rob. And we've got Ali as the back marker. And we're heading to Arrochar, where we're going to pick up another member. Gary. And then that'll be us for the day. I'm supposed to be looking for a safari park and I've got to turn after the safari park apparently. So it'll be interesting to see. Obviously not, I would have been wrong. Can't recall if I've been on this one before. Probably have actually. Oh God's day. It's turned out better than expected. Didn't expect there to be sun, I expected it to be dry. But the sun's an added bonus. What temperature we got? 19 degrees, my God. It's like the height of summer in Scotland. Fabulous views. Absolutely gorgeous. Good light, very good light. Everywhere you go there's lots and lots for sale. Lots and lots. Probably because the lockdowns caused a lot of sales to be delayed. Wouldn't surprise me if that's why suddenly there seems to be houses everywhere for sale. Couldn't have asked for a better day. Great. Oh, look at the view. Oh, gorgeous. Foothills of the Cairngorms. Seem to have barely had a summer. You know, lockdown ruined it. Seem to have had all the good weather while we were all shut in our homes, stuck in our back gardens. If you have one. I realised that there's a speed camera sign there with a "Go fast" sticker stuck on it. So what bikes are everybody riding? Let's have a look. I'll try and get this right because I'm terrible with different types of bikes. Got John at the front, BMW GSA. John behind him with a Yamaha MT10, is it? An MT10. And myself on the Tenere. Behind me we've got Rab on a Kawasaki GTR 1400 thing. Yeah, I think that's it. Behind him we've got Ali on the S1000R. And then when we meet up with Gary, we'll be complete with an African twin. So a fair spread of bikes, types of bikes, manufacturers. So BMW, Kawasaki, Yamaha and Honda all represented. So the main ones anyway, some of the main ones I think. A811. Well, that corner was brutal. Turn right here. Yeah, I thought so. We used to go ahead anyway, then there's a wee wiggle that we did. This is different then. Right, this is different. What's happening? No.
This road's been shut for about fucking
I know, it's been shut forever.
a year or something. So I was just letting Gary know that I was a bit optimistic with my times. So,
Just keeping them posted.
right, exactly. So get yourselves ready, we're away again.